Namaskar. I want to specially invite you to some of our retreats this winter here in USA. We have some very special retreats coming up. In January, we're going on our first skiing trip. So we'll go to Royal Gorge in California and go on daily skiing trips for 3 days. And we are also going to Hawaii, and over there we'll go to Maui Island, which gives opportunities for snorkeling, swimming, and hiking, and many other adventures.
And we still have more hiking activities. I'm very happy to invite you all to join one of them. Aside of that, of course, we also have the meditation retreat, wellness retreat, and silent retreat. And
we hiked the trails. You can see a beautiful background behind me. And we, of course, did some meditation in the forest.
I would really recommend it to anyone who's interested. I think there is a lot both for people who already have experience in meditation and yoga, as well as for people who are new to it.
We also have different kind of classes that we share. And there is one very special thing in this retreat is that we teach personal meditation. So who would like to learn their personal meditation?
Very well organized, and yet plenty of time to relax and just take in the beautiful surroundings here. Hikes in the hills, fresh air, and it's been really impacting for me on a physical, emotional, mental, and obviously spiritual level.
Enough time for intensity of practices and also enough free time.
Another speciality is that sometimes you don't really have opportunity to do something fun with other spiritually minded people. So we recommend people to first come to a meditation retreat or meet us, learn meditation, and join the community and join us for something fun.
I first attended my Ananda Marga meditation retreat around a month ago. I had profound experiences on multiple different levels, such as energy, spiritual, and then mental health and well-being as well.
There have been really great yoga classes that are, for me, have just been at just the right level. I mean, not too challenging, but challenging enough to be really useful.
Dada and Didi really went out of their way to create a retreat that was worth coming to. We had an amazing program that had a great balance between a lot of things to do, whether it be the meditation, the yogic asana practices, going out into nature, which is absolutely gorgeous around here, or to get some personal attention and ask questions you might have and focus on the things that might be on your mind. So I think really there's an opportunity here both for more novice practitioners as well as people who are more advanced to get a lot out of this experience.
Everybody is very welcome to join us. We plan so many more of those all around the States.
I highly recommend anyone, if you get the opportunity to join one of these retreats, it is absolutely life-changing, and the stuff that you're going to be able to take and bring home with you will be able to change your life, your family's life, and a lot of people that you meet in the future and impact them.
The food was beyond great, so I highly recommend the Meditation Steps retreats.
I foresee myself staying in touch with everyone I met. We had amazing discussions, shared a lot of great time together. Just a really, really awesome experience.
And so I just highly recommend this, and you won't be disappointed. This could be like a peak experience for you, maybe even a life-changing experience.
So I give it a 10 out of 10. So thank you.
So yeah, I give it 10 out of 10 from my heart to yours.